brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigile a sus niños. Gracias.
And I forgot my sunglasses.
Hold on to that.
After a quick 6-mile drive from our Airbnb, we were finally walking through the gates of Disney. Josh and I haven't been to a Disney park since we were kids, but we were most excited about watching the girls experience Disney for the very first time. It was so good to be on Main Street again, see the castle in the distance, and we wanted to get one of the main rides out of the way right off the bat. So we headed straight to Tiana's Bayou adventure, which left everybody with different feelings.
Well, we're stuck.
We're not stuck. This is Steve's birthday. Now won't let us go.
I want to go on the record and say this is Nicole's idea. Let's start off cold and wet. What?
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Louis up ahead.
Yeah, thanks.
You're gonna get wet. Mommy, you're not gonna get wet.
Hello?
Hey.
Any musicians down here who want to jam? The party's about to begin.
Hey, look, it's big as Louis.
Still not seeing any musicians.
No sweat, Louis. We're just getting started.
It got in my mouth.
Tiana wasn't cute, y'all. This man she found can play. Hallelujah.
They're the bees leaves. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
I'm just big. I'm excited.
Oh! Nicole! No, it ain't over and I'm soaked.
Got itty bitty little buddies.
But you found the sound. That was great.
Let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
That's it.
No more fun.
No, it's over. That was so fun.
That was fun.
That was so good.
Make sure you send that to Miss Lorraine.
Now I'm cold and wet. Well, girls, what'd you think?
Awesome. Medium for everything.
Medium?
Yeah,
Thumbs up.
To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
You okay, Lila? All right. What do you think about the Haunted Mansion? Okay?
It's like behind you. Medium down.
Medium down? Okay.
Because it was a little bit scary.
Yeah.
I don't like
Mom, What did you think about the
I
haunted?
love it. It's one of my favorites. I like it.
I like the haunted mansion as well. I think it was great. See?
Yay!
That one was good, right?
This is my one of my favorite ones. This is my favorite one because it's slow.
This is your favorite one so far?
That's her favorite so far, so she said.
Yeah, she said it's her favorite because it was slow.
I know, it's good, huh?
Can we go this time? Can we go again?
Hey girls, what'd you think about Pooh's
That
adventure?
was good. I love it. I like to be on the ride over
Mom, what did you think of Winnie the Pooh?
It was good. That one part was really cool with the heffalumps.
The heffalumps and the weasels?
I did that because I was cold.
It is kind of cold.
Yeah, that's
Get him a
what I
churro.
wanted so
Well, with you, it'd probably be an immature.
I'm still cold from that Tiana ride. That's 2 rides ago.
Lila, take a bite.
Mom, am I in Disney heaven?
Okay, I want y'all to rate the ride. 1 out of 10. Where 1's the worst and 10's the best. What was Tiana's Bayou adventure ride?
1 out of 1.
Why?
Because it was scary and wet.
What about the Haunted Mansion?
I'll say 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10?
2.
2?
2 out of 10.
Winnie the Pooh.
110 out of 10. 100 out of 1.
You ready?
Do something.
Every day. Straight ahead is an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian Shriners.
This crap.
I was told there are alligators in the water. That is not an alligator on the left of the boat. That is a croc. Actually, I'm just kidding. I don't shower. Now, a lot of people think that's water coming out of Elephant's trunk over there on the right-hand side, but it's not. So if you're in the back of the boat on the right-hand side, you're going to get a little wet here in a second. Oh, get down, you're gonna get wet, get down, get down, get down, get down! Just kidding. He forgot to pack his trunk. Yeah, a little dry humor. As we exit the Congo River, we're entering the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa. In fact, it goes up 4,000 miles. It goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles.
Yes, it is. Good job.
If you don't believe me, you're denial. The amazing, the colossal, the stupendous. It is the 8th wonder of the world. It is the backside of water! Woo! 028, 028, 028, 028. Now my boss Alberta says the fish though is fighting over here. I'm gonna slow down and see if we can't catch one. Oh, look at that. Oh, get down here.
Lila, Bo, what did y'all think about the Jungle Cruise? 2 thumbs up? Do you like it? What? 4 thumbs up?
I'm trying to do it.
You ready?
I'm excited. I haven't read this right before, so it says watch the
Was that a restaurant?
Yeah, you can eat right there and watch the pirates.
Oh, that'd be cool.
It's a little pricey.
It's Disney, it's all pricey. It's just a little one.
It's
swim with Davy Jones.
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheating.
I humbly accept this magnificent treasure as my reward for last.
You was all worried for nothing, huh?
I thought it was gonna be this was a 10 out of 10.
Oh, yeah?
This is 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5.
What's that?
What'd you think?
I loved it.
Thumbs up?
Oh my god. We got hit again.
I know.
What'd you think?
It was awesome.
You liked that one? I told you you would. Mommy,
That's
we know
always
you.
one of my favorites, yes. That always, I remember the smell.
Yeah.
Like what it smells like in there.
It smells disgusting. Disgusting pirate.
All right, so stopping for some lunch. We've had a good day so far. We've ridden, let's see here. We started off with Tiana, and then we did
Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion, Winnie the Pooh,
Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the Caribbean.
We got our top 3 knocked off
Yep.
right off the bat.
So, what are you thinking so far, girls? Y'all having fun?
Okay. There's only 2 of my favorite rides. Winnie the Pooh and Pirates of the Caribbean.
Pirates of the
There's
Caribbean.
only one favorite.
What's your favorite?
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
We took our lunchtime to rest and refuel to tackle the rest of the day, which we'll show you in the next video. But I hope you took a good look at these hey ears that Everly had, because that's the last time you're going to see them. More on that later. But be sure you like and subscribe, and we'll finish out our first day in the Magic Kingdom. We'll take you for a day at the California Adventure Park, and then one final day at Magic Kingdom before we head back on a big road trip back to Texas. Thank y'all for watching. Stay safe out there.